viewers, this is your boy Hugo Stone, and I'm right here with another video. And in today's video I'm going to take you to a road project that is currently going on at the Motorway, right? So it's a flyover road project, but they are going to work on the motorway as well. There's going to be an expansion on the motorway, so I'm here to show you guys. So as you can see, the motorway was just a one-way road, a two-way road, right? Double road. Those who are going and those who are coming from the other side. As you can see, they've added another one to make it 3-lane road, right? So one is going to connect to the flyover road project that is going on here, and the two will be using as a normal way they used to go. So you can see what is going on here. This is going to be beautiful, and this is going to ease traffic that used to come on the flower pot area because of the flyover projects that they are doing currently. It's beautiful, you know. Please, if you are new here, do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel, tap the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Please do not go without subscribing. Thank you so much, and enjoy the video to the end. This is quite amazing, you see. Lots is happening. A lot is really going on in Ghana currently. I've been able to cross to the other side of the road, which is this, the left side coming from connects to the flower pot. So I'm gonna do a video from here to the flower pot to show you how far they have gone with this project. So I want you to stick to the end. You're going to see how far they have gone with it and how they are also going about it. Changes that has been done. It's really beautiful. So I think it's gonna be a round flyover project, road on the flyover road. projects. It's one of its kind in Ghana. It has really served for a long period. During Kwame Nkrumah time, this road called the Motorway has really served for a long period. I hope what they are coming to do to attach to it is also going to be as quality as this has been, right? So the motorway was a concrete that they did, and the additional one they are going to add is going to be an asphalt. So let's see how it goes. I'm hoping that the asphalt can be there for a longer period as this concrete has served Ghana for. So as you can see, they have done the asphalt on the concrete. Yeah, because this side too was a concrete. Okay, this was the space that was left for the pedestrian lane. This side was in concrete. They've really done a good job. I want to try and cross the road and give you guys an update of what is happening here in Manet Junction. Right? A lot is going on currently in Ghana, and now it's making the area so attractive. So this will connect from East Legon all the way, and you do the flyover to connect to the flower pot. As you can see, this is what is happening. Flower pot. Very beautiful. Nice project.